How to choose the right car insurance for you. A step-by-step guide. Purchasing car insurance is more than just a legal requirement. It's a financial safety net that protects you, your vehicle, and others on the road. However, with dozens of providers, varying coverage levels, and a wide range of pricing, figuring out which policy is right for you can feel like navigating a maze. This comprehensive, step-by-step guide is designed to help you make a smart, informed decision when choosing your car insurance, ensuring you get the protection you need at a price that makes sense. Step 1. Understand your coverage needs. The first step in choosing the right car insurance is understanding what kind of protection you need. There's no one-size-fits-all policy. Your ideal coverage depends on several personal factors, including driving habits. Do you commute daily or drive occasionally? Vehicle type. Is your car new, leased, financed, or older with a lower market value? Location. Do you live in an area with high accident rates, theft, or severe weather? Financial situation. How much can you afford to pay out of pocket in case of an accident? Types of coverage to consider. Liability insurance, mandatory in most states. Covers bodily injury and property damage you cause to others in an accident. It does not cover damage to your own vehicle. Collision coverage. Pays for damage to your vehicle caused by collisions with other vehicles or objects, regardless of who is at fault. Comprehensive coverage. Covers non-collision incidents like theft, vandalism, natural disasters, falling objects, or animal damage. Personal injury protection, PIP, or medical payments, MedPay. Covers medical expenses for you and your passengers after an accident, regardless of fault. Some states require this coverage. Uninsured/underinsured motorist coverage. Protects you if you're hit by a driver with little or no insurance. Step 2. Know your state's minimum requirements. Every U.S. state has its own minimum requirements for car insurance. For instance, liability limits in California are different from those in New York or Florida. Failing to meet these can result in fines, license suspension, or even legal trouble. That said, the state minimums often provide bare-bones coverage and may not be enough to fully protect your assets. Many financial advisors recommend carrying more than the legal minimum to avoid out-of-pocket expenses in a serious accident. Step 3. Set a realistic budget. While it's tempting to go for the cheapest premium, cheap doesn't always mean better. A lower-cost plan might leave you underinsured, resulting in expensive out-of-pocket costs later. Striking a balance between affordability and adequate protection is key. When budgeting, consider monthly premium versus deductible. Higher deductibles often mean lower premiums, but you'll pay more upfront if you file a claim. Out-of-pocket expenses. Think about how much you can comfortably afford to pay in an emergency. Potential discounts. Bundling policies, having a good driving record, installing anti-theft devices, or even being a good student can qualify you for discounts. Step 4. Research insurance companies. Not all insurers are created equal. You want a provider that is financially stable, reliable, and easy to work with, especially during the claims process. Things to look for. Financial ratings. Use services like AM Best, Moody's, or Standard & Poor's to check a company's financial strength. Customer reviews. Look at consumer satisfaction ratings on platforms like J.D. Power, the Better Business Bureau, or Trustpilot. Claim service. Fast, fair, and hassle-free claims processing is critical. Delays or denials can create major stress after an accident. Support and availability. Can you speak to a real person when needed? Do they offer 24/7 assistance or a user-friendly app? Step 5. Compare multiple quotes. It's a good idea to compare quotes from at least 3 to 5 insurance providers. Be sure you're comparing apples to apples. Quotes should include the same types of coverage, limits, and deductibles to make an accurate comparison. Use online comparison tools. Independent insurance agents who can access multiple providers. Direct quotes from company websites. Don't forget to ask about policy bundling, low mileage discounts, safe driver programs, loyalty or multi-vehicle discounts. Step 6. Evaluate add-ons and optional coverage. Many insurers offer optional add-ons that may be worth the extra cost depending on your needs. These include roadside assistance, cover services like towing, jump starts, or flat tire changes. Rental reimbursement pays for a rental car while your vehicle is being repaired. Gap insurance covers the difference between what you owe on your car loan and the car's depreciated value if it's totaled. Custom equipment coverage for modified or upgraded vehicles. Usage-based insurance programs that track your driving habits via an app or plug-in device and may reward safe behavior with lower premiums. Step 7. Read the fine print. Insurance policies can be filled with confusing jargon and legal language. Before you commit, make sure you clearly understand coverage limits and exclusions, what's required to file a claim, how your premium might change over time, cancellation terms and refund policies, what situations are not covered, e.g., using your car for rideshare, racing, etc. If you're unsure about any of the terms, don't hesitate to ask a licensed agent for clarification. Step 8. Work with a trusted insurance agent. Working with an independent or captive agent can help simplify the process. They can explain policy options in plain language, customize a policy based on your lifestyle and vehicle, assist in filing claims, regularly review your coverage as your needs change. Agents can be especially helpful if you have a complex situation like a teen driver, a leased vehicle, or a high-value car. Step 9. Reassess annually. Your insurance needs can change over time. Review your policy at least once a year or whenever a major life event occurs, such as buying or selling a car, moving to a new state, getting married or adding a teen driver, changing jobs or commuting patterns. Shop around again if your rates increase unexpectedly or if you're not satisfied with your current provider. Final thoughts. Choosing the right car insurance is an important decision that impacts both your financial well-being and peace of mind. By following these steps, assessing your needs, understanding the options, and comparing providers, you can confidently select a policy that fits your life, budget, and driving habits. Remember, car insurance isn't just a legal formality. It's a vital tool to protect yourself, your passengers, and your future. Take the time to make the right choice, and your future self will thank you.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like videos like this. Thank you.